Good morning, my little kittens. So we already have two beautiful makeups inspired by cars, the Audi and the Rolls. And today we're going to do a red makeup inspired by Hyundai Tucson 2022, and honestly it's one of my favorites. So for doing this I obviously needed to do a draft, and here it is. It looks super thin and super nice, and now that we have all that we need, no more talk and let's jump in. So for this makeup I'm gonna use a red eyeshadow, and I will make a line just like an eyeliner, and I will intensify that. Super nice. So this series is honestly a very funny and, I don't know, energetic for me, because it makes me wonder how will I do this makeup look like for every makeup look that I made with those from those car headlights, because we started designing them before the video obviously. And it's so nice to do this. I mean, I feel like I invented something and I feel like a little genius. Now I'm gonna make my eyeliner. I mean, I will make some type of box for this. I feel like I'm doing surgery right now. I'm so concentrated to make this. Oh, I almost sweat a little bit. No, don't transfer, please. No, don't transfer. Now I'm gonna make this. It's so funny when I'm just doing my eyeliner and suddenly I just look at my face and I'm like... So we did it. It looks kinda retro. And now we need to do the shapes for this part, which will be a little bit interesting. I will do the first line here. I will stamp my eyeshadow on. Okay. And now the next one will be here. Okay. Oh my god, that looks so nice. So this is the makeup, guys. I feel like a character from, I don't know, from a series. It looks so nice. I just feel like an anime character, honestly. It's so nice. I'm shocked. It's inspired by a super beautiful car and it's super wearable. It's so nice, honestly, and it makes my eyes look so cute. If you want to do it, I will leave the draft here and you can make a screenshot to it and you can redo this makeup. So your girl Glammedblondie finished your job and now we are looking fabulous. If you like this video, go and press that like, bell and subscribe button, because we will meet a little bit later. Now I'm going to do the next makeup.